birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday with your friend Salah.
Quasi quasi prendi una per me. Sì.
Oggi non hai il campegno di Sensai. No, adesso no perché non abbiamo. Ah, non mi piace.
So guys, let me look for perfume for my husband. Today is his birthday.
Se vuoi buttare le mogliette possiamo
Ok.
buttarle qui.
Va bene.
Ti lascio finire di dare un'occhiata?
Sì, sì.
Ok, lo metto intanto in casa.
Okay. So guys, I'll be taking this one.
So guys, I'm cooking salad soup for Daddy. Today is Daddy's birthday. Yeah. Salad soup. Posso cozer. Salad adigo kwa. Kabuzi kama alacha godu we. Kelos kwa honey. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday with your friend Salah. My daddy go borrow one Salah. On the one Salah. Salah. Guys says if I'm the DM now, it says yeah, need you. Thanks for watching. Yes, Hey guys, I'm done with my meat pie. We have 21 pieces of meat pie. Okay. I will now start my puff. I will now puff. Next up, I already wash my hand. Okay, let me just. So nice. Let's go and today is so I'm done. I'm done. So let me try it. Milk or pork. You don't want to eat out. So let me go and start trying this one. Can you see how crunchy or nothing? Thanks for watching. So guys, we're just coming back from church. Guys, I wanted to make a video before going to church, but because of time I couldn't, I did not make it. I can't do it, okay? Adam Mary. So this is my new pair, I bought it day before yesterday. My new pair, wait, I'm making you the wait. I'm coming. So let's open it. Hey, even the carton is sweat. This one is original. Can you see the name? And this is sweat. I used to get the mail that is shopping, perfume shopping for his birthday. I said, let me to them. So let me buy my own. So I bought this. I'm not trying to put a perfume. I bought my friend check out Indian yellow move. Hey, dear Liam. This is a small one. So like this.
So guys, we're here because Chidima have visit today. Go back. So we are waiting for our turn. We're even late. So we are waiting.